But we treat it as an
Pretend.
equal sign.
Yeah, you get what I'm trying to say now. If you pretend this as an equal sign, you just have to basically make sure that it is like
Cross
that. Are
mark.
you understanding or not, guys?
Yeah.
Semi okay?
Yeah.
All right. When you have this semi later towards the end of the lesson, ask your sister come around and say hi. All right. This becomes 4p minus what? Minus 48 less than okay. Then this becomes 6p minus away 15. You understand or don't understand? Okay. I'm not going to do a lot of this. I'm just probably going to do one more question on this. Then I want to do the problem sums or the advanced ones. Send phone, okay?
Bro,
Okay. Why?
old, we should leave it. It's an old joke.
Okay, so from here, you just, again, if it's an equal sign, you isolate P. Am I making sense or not? So
Yeah, and
4P
then we
minus
like shift
6P,
same families together.
very good. SFST, 师傅是吃. You see, whatever I say in prep, Sec 1, Sec 2, B, I say the same thing. I always say the same thing. You understand what I'm trying to say? Because always remember, math is a circle, math is a circle, math is a circle. Can whatever you learned in the past will spill over. This is just this is also life. You get what I'm trying to say now? Okay, stop. I need to stop rambling. Yeah? Okay, this is 33. You understand or don't understand? You see, the most important thing, right, Samphone, you need to remember to get to P. You remember, if I have to divide by a negative or multiply by a negative, my sign has to change. You say it. If I have to divide by a negative or multiply by a negative, my sign has to change. You say Hmm? Change. You get where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go where
If
and go, Anushka, right?
Class.
chill.
Yeah.
Okay, 33 divided by negative 2. All right, P
Can I
is
say
equal to
hi?
negative
Happy
16.5.
Thursday.
You get what I'm trying to say? Am I making sense or not making sense?
Yes.
Okay, so if I have to divide by a negative or
You
multiply
want to say
by a
hi to my mom?
negative, sure. To who?
My
Hello.
mom.
Hi.
Oh my God, you're texting him, her in
What's
this
up?
time.
1 hour, just 1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Thank you so much
No worries,
for
no worries.
taking your
My
time.
pleasure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So from here, this is what you get. But you're not done. You get what I'm trying to say, Samphone?
Yes.
Anushka, can understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Samphone, you surfing the net.
Me?
Oh, you hook up. I'm here. Hello.
No, because like my screen.
Oh, okay. Oh, the phone is okay. Okay, got it. Okay, you understand or don't understand?
Yeah.
Okay, if you understand, pull your ear. Shut up. I keep forgetting your sec 3, sec 4 already. Sorry, cannot play some of jokes anymore. Okay, pull your ear works for Avia and
Your hand up.
you understand?
No,
But I'm not done with this question. You get what I'm trying to say?
Why is your hand up?
Hey, is that
Sorry, but seriously, why is it up?
I
yeah,
don't
but
know because I did this. Then the
no,
Zoom
I'm very confused. Why is your hand up though?
guys stop. You guys are asking the most no. Come on, stop.
Okay,
Don't
because
exhaust
we
my
understand
energy. I tell you,
this.
I only got 10% left. I'm giving my full 10%. Okay. You ask me
Okay.
this part, why my hand up? Towards the end, you see, I won't talk already. My mouth closed already. Okay. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on which one? I'm going to focus on what? I'm going to focus on this part over
This,
here.
like, are we gonna focus on like P, the
Yeah,
inequality?
so you focus on good question, very good question. Give yourself a pat on the face. All right. You can see this is what I will do. Am I making sense? Okay, Samphone, this is not a makeup class. I never teach you how to tie hair. Can you please focus? All right. Thank you. Okay, I must ask mommy to sit beside you. You see whether you tie hair. Okay, I'm just kidding. All right, can you understand or don't understand? What are you going to do right now? You are going to make sure that this 4 is going to be shifted over. Am I making sense? All
Yeah.
right, all you need to do is very simple. All right, can you all see?
Yeah.
Can see? All right, math is amazing. I love math. I can do math any day, anytime.
Okay.
Okay?
So why are you doing it this time?
All right, I know you guys agree. Now, can I say one very important thing, which is what? When I divide by a negative or multiply by a negative, I change
The
the
sign
sign.
flips.
But over here, I multiply by a positive 4. So my sign will not flip. Am
Remains
I
the
making
same.
sense? Remains the same.
Yeah.
Am I making sense? All right, from here, you just go back to your basics, right? You see, as I'm speaking, why am I speaking so much? Why not just a y'all two up? Why? Because I want to make sure I remember and I improve the way I'm going to communicate to y'all. You understand what I understand? All right. So what are you going to do right now? Same thing, back to the same thing.
Same
Tell
family
me.
sit together.
Thank you very much. Anushka, keep talking. Very good. Okay. Now over here. what happens is that you're going to move all of this, right? Bring this over, bring this over. Am I making sense or not making sense? All right, this becomes 6p less than or equals to 29. How many of you can understand? If you can understand, give me a twist. Am I too fast? If I'm too fast, give me a thumbs up. Okay, very good. All right, you understand, huh?
Yeah.
Can I go on already?
Wait, are you gonna express this in a number line?
Yeah, I will express it. All right, so over here, I will do 29 divided by 6. Now, when I do 29 divided by 6, right? Sammy, don't go the number line first. Can you just listen first, can you?
Yeah.
Is
Okay.
it do it in a fraction or
Now, always give it as a mixed number. Why must it be a mixed number? Would you want your head to be bigger than your body? If you put an improper means you're telling me, dear Joseph, I wish that my head is bigger than my body. Like, what? You get what I'm trying to say? That makes you look like that. You understand what I'm trying to say?
yeah.
Okay, but on a serious note, of course, we prefer a mixed number. Can? All
Mhm.
right. So when you have these two things, right, the first thing you should do, Sammy, is not to quickly scramble to draw a number line. What is it that you have to do? You have to first put P in the middle.
Wait, why is it in the middle?
Very good question. Because it's a range. What is it that I can see on my yellow color part and my green color one? The yellow color part and the green color part is what?
P.
Telling you that P is a range. P is more than negative 16.5. Then the green part says what? P is less than or equal to 4, 5 over 6. You understand or don't understand?
Yes.
Okay, so what I will do is I will do a range. I'll put P in the middle first. Where's the big mouth? The big mouth is facing who? For the yellow color one. I want you all to cast your eyes on the yellow color part. Where's the big mouth facing?
The big mouth is facing towards P.
Thank you. So can you see? I never switch. I never switch the sign. It's just so because my P is in the middle. You understand or don't understand?
Yeah.
Sammy understand lah.
Yeah.
So I remember my teacher said crocodile mouth, but not so good lah. Okay, I just say open mouth. You all know the game. Open close, open close, open 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 close. Is my mouth? Am I open or close?
No.
Close.
Correct. Open close, open close. We play a mini game. Open close, open close, open 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 close. Is my open or close?
Close.
Correct. Open close, open close, open 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 close or close.
Open.
Oh, how you know Zenfone? Very good. Y'all can go around and go and trick your friends, okay? All right, now over here we get 16.5. Is this something that y'all can understand? If you can understand, pull your hair. Thank you. Semi understand. All right. Confused or not confused? Sorry, Semi cannot hear you already.
No, it sounds fine.
Then 4, 5 over 6 is over here. The small mouth is facing, so small mouth is facing P. Once
Yeah.
you get to this, you are cooked in a good way. Then you can go and form your number line. Am I making sense? Then you're going to put negative 16.5 over here. You put 4, 5 over 6 over here. What are you going to have? You're going to have a solid. Why solid? When you see this, it has to be a closed circle. When you see this, it
Wait,
has to
is
be an
this
open circle.
the like mini number lines?
Is this not? Wait, say again.
Is it like once we solve it, is it obviously a number line?
Yeah, the question will always, not always, most of the time will say, I want you to represent it in the number line.
Wait, I thought that the numbers were supposed to be like on the number line and not at the end.
Very good question. Should the numbers be what? Okay, depends. All right. Some teachers say that you need to have, like, for example, Sammy's question is basically this, right? Should you have like negative 17? Is that what you're trying to say?
No, like can it can I edit?
Huh?
I edit on the screen.
A bit hard for you to annotate because I'm using my iPad. So you just say.
Okay, ignoring the additional lines you just now drew, must my
Okay.
must my numbers be exactly at the opposite ends, or can I put them in the middle anyway? But
No,
as long
it depends, right? Because over here, my range is only what? I only put this number and this number. But if I included other numbers like what I did just now, then yeah, it's okay. And Sammy, you must remember you can only play within this range. Can you go for 5? You can't because it's more than or sorry, less than or equal to 4, 5 over 6. Almost 5 really. You understand? Anushka, can you understand?
Mhm.
Okay, now I'm gonna do one more question. Okay, this is all recorded. I will upload, get you all to go and rewatch again. Can? Is that okay? So please ask me as many questions as you can. Are you okay or not okay? All good? Is it very confusing?
No.
So I come back to here, just a recap, since it's going to be on YouTube. You see, first thing first, very importantly, remember whatever that is over here, right? What do you do? The first step is to split it up, right? Then you focus on the first two, then after that, you focus on the last two. Can you understand? All right, then after that, you will be brought all the way down to the yellow color box and the green color box. True? Right? The yellow color box tells you that P is more than negative 16.5. The green says P is less than. So that is the range that we are playing with. Am I making sense? Say, for example, I say, okay, guys, or your teacher say, hey, guys, you know what? You only have $2 to $10 to spend for the class Chinese New Year decoration. So it's anywhere from $2 to $10. Can you spend more than $10? You can't. You get what I'm trying to say? All right, I will move on to the next question. Are you all ready or not ready? Okay, just one question. I will skip the simple ones. I want to do maybe question number 8. Can I do question number 8? Ready? Or do you all need me to do question number 8? Oh, by the way, right? I never answer question number 1. This is what I get, right? I got this. What did I get? I get this amount, right? What is the question asking us to find? They want us to find the largest rational value. How many of you can understand that?
Whole number.
Huh?
Whole means whole number, right?
Okay, rational means can be expressed as a
Fraction.
fraction. Very good. Okay. So from here itself, what can you see? You can see that the largest cannot be in the negative, right? Therefore, your answer for P in this situation is 4/5/6. Dear Joseph, why you took 4/5/6? Because the word over here or the symbol, the inequality sign over here is this, which is what? Less than or equal to. That means 4/5/6 is also included. Are you understanding or not understanding?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, so a lot of questions they will ask you that. Basically, they want to see whether if you understand rational, whether if you understand integer. Maybe just a quick recap. Can I ask you a very simple question? Do you all remember all of these things or not? Maybe you want to write down first. Usually they love to test integer, irrational, rational. Make sense? All right, maybe I'll ask you first. Integer is what?
Whole number.
Very good, whole number. All right, okay, very good. Next one. Irrational means cannot be expressed as a fraction. Can you all write this down on your foolscap paper? Cannot be expressed. Can you understand? As a fraction. Make sense or don't make sense? All right, rational means can be expressed.
Irrational numbers means that they also cannot be terminating or recurring, right?
Very good, right? Because if it's recurring, will you be like, for example, pi? I give an example, pi. How to turn into a, you get what I'm trying to say? How do you turn? You get what I'm trying to say? How do you turn into a fraction? You can't because the number keeps running. Am I making sense? All right, like say for example, things like square root 2, can or not? Square root 2 also cannot. Why? Because square root 2, you turn to 1.14. Wow, how to turn this into a fraction? It's 4142135 over what? Over what? How many zero? You get what I'm trying to say? You'll be stuck. True? Can you understand the difference? Okay, but what happens if, let's say, for example, when it comes to this, right? If you have things like, say, for example, you all know what are the numbers that can be expressed as a fraction, right? Say 1.9. Can. Why? 19/10. Am I making sense?
Yes.
Do you understand or don't understand, Sammy? Okay, so and so forth. You understand? Okay, a lot of times is what? Let's say, for example, I have, let me see, 9 over. Let's say, for example, 1.333. Okay, in fact, usually they don't do this. They put a dot. What happens?
Recurring.
Huh? Oh, never mind. I change. 1.4. Can or not? It's a rational. Why? Why is it rational?
The dot on top.
Yeah. So what will you write as?
What do you know
What
what
will you write as? Or sometimes, right? Actually, a lot of questions is this 0.1414. Or they say put two dots above. How? This can be expressed as this one. Press your calculator if you all don't believe. Yeah? No? You come back.
P?
Okay, so now of course, right, these are some of the things that you all need to know, okay? They love to test things like, for example, the greatest difference. What happens if it's the greatest difference? Right?
No.
Let's say, for example, this is the question. What do you think is the greatest difference? Simple, right? Greatest difference means this minus away this. Anushka, understand?
Yeah.
Why? Because the greatest difference means I need to use the biggest number minus away the smallest number. Do you agree or disagree? Am I making sense or not making sense?
Making sense.
Okay, huh? All right, we'll practice. Let's practice a few more, okay? In fact, I would say after this session, like for example over here, you see, what is this? What is this? Can you see A and B? How many of you are still with me?
Yes.
Right? You can see, right? The least possible parameter. The least possible parameter means I want the measurements to be small, 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 small. If I want you get what I'm trying to say? All right, so over here means for question 5 means I use the smallest values. All right, for this I will use the what?
Biggest values.
Because, right, because I want a big value to times a big value to get me to something even bigger. You get what I'm trying to say? All right, it's quite common sense, but of course we have to be able to process that. Is that okay? All right, prime numbers. Prime numbers are what? Numbers such as 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Am I making sense? Trick. All of you got trick. You see? You see? Man mode already. Man mode already. In army, you call this man mode. That means you're not
Wait, 2 is
thinking.
not a prime
Nine.
number.
2 is not a prime number. This
2
even
and
argue
9.
worse. This one not man mode. This one sleeping already. Sleeping mode already. 9 is the one that. Bro. Anushka, I caught on tape. I will show that. All right, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Cannot. 9 is what? 3 times 3 and 1 times 9. You get what I'm trying to say? Lah? Agree or
Yes.
disagree? Okay, so this is a big no-no. Okay, all right. Allow me to move on to the next one. Maybe
Wait,
like
sit there.
question 7. Let's try. Can? So you
You
see,
left the 9 there.
Sorry,
You left the 9 there.
huh?
You left the 9
Okay,
there.
fine. Okay, all right. Cause I want to trick the next class, bro. Why you point out now over here? What are the possible values of x? Given they already solved for you. Just now my student asked me, dear Joseph, when you see these, do you need to solve? I tell her, you solve what? What is the meaning of solve? The definition of solve means to find the value of x. You solve what? When it's already given to you, they are essentially telling you x has the values of -3, 2, 1, 0. You get what I'm trying to say? 0, 1, 2. Right? Y have the values of -5, 4, 3, -3. Sorry, -2,
-2, -1.
-1, 0. Can I go 0? No, I
No.
cannot. You get what I'm trying to say? Sammy, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So more importantly, what am I going to do right now? Now that I have all of these values, let's answer A first. Let's practice this. Then we
Is
do
it
some
2
the
over
greatest
-1?
possible. I ask you a question. If I am doing the division, I want the biggest number. X divided by Y. I want the biggest number. What do you think you'll do? I will make sure this is the biggest. And then this is the smallest. True? True? True or no?
Wait, but why?
Because you want the answer to be the greatest one.
Greater.
True or not? Is it
Wait,
true? Let's say,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
all right,
it,
a very big pizza.
And
no.
then like the amount of pizza slices.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I want the greatest, the most number of pizza. Agree or disagree? If not, I
yeah.
start throwing a tantrum. You give me such a small pizza. You go and invite 100 people. Now one pizza divide 100 pieces. My goodness, the pizza that I get is so small. I haven't eat. I breathe in the pizza. Agree or
But
disagree?
wait, but if it's like this, right, then that means that for x, the biggest value would be 2, and the y, its smallest value would be -5.
Okay, wait. Yes, I know what you're going to say already. You're going to say, teacher, Joseph, you're wrong. But chill, okay? You are absolutely correct. But I want you all to understand the idea first. Understand or not understand?
So it's not.
Okay, every time you don't understand, you use what we call replacement method. What is it? Replace it with a number. 10 divided by 1, I get to 10, or is it 10 divided by 5? I get to 2. Which one is greatest?
So you're gonna divide by -1.
Huh?
Wait, what if we just divide by -1?
Does that get me to my greatest?
No.
That You get what I'm trying to say? Agree or disagree?
Yeah.
Therefore, are you understanding or not understanding? Right?
Yeah.
Like Sammy say, "Ju, then you're gonna do this, right?" I say, yeah, sure, but is this my greatest? No. How is -2 the greatest? Negative
A
2
negative
no.
number divided by a negative number.
Isn't this better?
Yes.
What about -4 divided by -1? That's the greatest one.
Very good. So you have to go and experiment. Why? Because minus and minus cancel out. You say, Nobody is singing. Next time I would say, if y'all sing, y'all get a ticket to. Sorry, I forget all the band already. But
I think you're gonna go both.
you're gonna, yeah, but y'all don't sing. That's the thing. Only I sing like a crazy guy. Okay, anyways, you
Okay.
understand?
I'm
Right?
sorry.
What can I? What? Why not like that? Cannot, right? Why? Because -5 belongs to Y. You understand or don't understand? So which one is better? Ayo, who actually told me this?
Me? Isn't it -4?
But -4 have meh? X got -4 meh?
Oh shoot, sorry.
Oh shoot what?
On the wrong side.
You understand? Okay. Understand or don't understand? Alright, so from here you can go and cancel, alright? That's it. And that's your answer lah. Agree or disagree? You understand or don't understand? Okay, so answer is 3. Very good. Can understand or don't understand, guys?
Yeah.
Sorry, I meant girls. Oh, I say guy or girls, you also don't respond then.
Wait.
Or understand or don't understand?
Yeah.
All good,
Yeah.
ah?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on to the next. So you have to test. You understand what I'm trying to say? Alright. Like obviously I will not do okay. I will just now I did this and this, right? Then I realized, they're so small, so I won't care about the ones at the back. You understand what I'm trying to say?
This,
Alright. Sorry.
this is basically like guess and check.
A bit of that, but it's very intelligent way of guessing. You know?
Yeah.
You must it's almost as if like you are going into the jungle, but you're not like just like walking random fingers crossing that you will get out of the jungle. Rather you look for hints. Am I making sense? You understand that? Oi,
Yes.
don't like that leh, 9:30 already leh. I started teaching at 10 a.m. At 10:30 a.m.
It's
until
like 12.
12 Although in between I got a break lah, but I was working Okay, anyways. You understand? Alright, next one. The least possible. What is the least possible? The least possible is
Wait.
what? I want to use a very big number minus a very big number. True? True or not?
-5, -3.
Okay, very good. -5, where what 5 is from here, right?
Yeah.
But X don't even have -5. Where do you
No,
get that from?
-3 over -5. Because
-3 square minus away 2 bracket -5 square, is it? Okay, experiment, try. This becomes what? 9. Do you all know? Because -3 squared means what? Minus and minus, alright, minus times minus becomes plus. Am I making sense? 3 times 3 is 9, Anushka is like, I shouldn't have talked. -2 times 25. Agree or disagree? 9 minus 50. Oh, she's pretty on point. -49. Wow, Anushka, not bad.
how do you get -49?
-49 is very small. What? Correct or
No,
not?
9 minus 50 though.
Sorry?
I said 9 minus 50.
Oh, sorry. That becomes how much? You understand? Very good. But actually, there's a smaller one. What is it? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I mean, are y'all seeing it or not seeing it?
Oh,
Not
it's
seeing it.
yeah. Wait, no,
Huh?
wait. Oh, yeah, is it 0 squared?
0, very good. I prefer to put 0 here.
Oh,
Why?
yeah.
Because if I put 0 here, I get 0 minus, whoa, the bigger the better, right? I mean, the bigger the better, meaning to say in the negative side, it becomes very, very, you get what I'm trying to say? Because in negative, if I have -100, that's the best. You understand or don't understand?
Yes.
Experiment, therefore you will have experience. That's where the word experience comes from. You don't experiment, how to have experience?
Yeah.
True or not? True or not? So experiment, just try. Don't be afraid to try. Understand? I also don't know what's the answer, right or not? Okay? Can understand? Can I go on to problem sum? Are y'all getting the gist of this or don't understand?
Yes.
Confirm, Can I just highlight one very important thing? One, inclusive. A lot of students don't understand. What do you think? When it comes to friends and friends, you all understand. Inclusive. This include me. What does that mean? That means counting
In.
7. Understand or not? 7 is included. Am I making sense or not making sense? Okay, 7 is included. Is this something that you all can understand or don't understand? All good or no good?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, that's it. Okay, maybe I just want to quickly go on to question number 10. Okay, to be honest, I think question number 10 you all should be able to do. May I just, oh, they don't really have a lot of problems. Maybe I just quickly look at the advanced ones, Ken? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, question 23, yeah? Question number 23, everyone go there right now. Okay, a preliminary round of a mathematics competition consists of how many questions?
40 multiple
40
choice.
multiple question. Now, if you are doing this in primary school, a lot of you will say, Dear Joseph, can I just use assumption? Sure. But over here, because they want us to form an inequality. Understand or not understand? Okay? All right, slowly. So you write down the facts first. Okay? The total number of questions, MCQ questions, how many are there? 40. Okay? If you get it correct, what happens is that you plus 3, true or not? If you get it wrong, if you don't get it correct, you will minus 1. You all understand or don't understand?
Hmm.
Wait, minus 1 over here, plus 3 over here. Make sense? All right, 1 point, the no points are rewarded. So if you never attempt, so we call it NA, 0. Make sense? To
Yeah.
qualify for the final round, if you want to go for the final round, you must score at least 80 points. This actually is a bigger scene already. That means it has to be more than or equals to 80. Are you all understanding or not understanding?
Yes.
Sammy, okay? Why are you frowning?
Just focus, lock in.
Focus. Sorry, locked in. Let's go. All right, perfect. Okay, just endure. You have already endured for 39 more minutes. 21 more minutes, you are done. And you walk away smiling, knowing that you give your best. That is the key. Understand? Okay, now a participant did not attempt. This person never attempt 50 questions. 50,
Okay, just
5
5.
questions. You understand or don't understand? So how many questions did this person attempted?
35.
Exactly. You understand or don't understand? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So attempted questions. You want to say attempted questions?
It's 45. 35.
Make sense? Now, whenever you do inequality, you must always say let x be something. You must always do that. What do y'all think? Over here, you're hoping that you know these 35 questions. Out of these 35 questions, how
Right.
many are correct? How many are wrong? True? Okay, I got you right first. Out of these 35, you're like, is it going to be 30 correct? 5 are wrong? Don't know, right? You get what I'm trying. You cannot just say, oh, let's go half. 17.5 or 17 is correct, 18 is wrong. Huh? Cannot be right. You get what I'm trying to say? So what I will do is to assume the positive. Very important life lesson. Always try to assume the positive. But a lot of us, we are very conditioned to assume the negative. Right? Assume the positive. What's the positive? Assume that. What do you assume?
All are correct.
Okay, but again, you see, I'm going back to my primary school, when I'm teaching my primary school students. But no. Can I use assumption? No. Right? So I just say let X be the number of correct questions. Right? Understand?
Mhm.
You all understand or don't understand?
Yeah.
Can? So if I have 40 questions, out of these 40 questions how many NA? How many correct? You all can write down first. I will move on until this part is done. I'm frozen. Bro, nobody cares. Okay, so for those of you who are watching this, okay, I'm done. Okay. All right, so how many NA? We know it's 5. How many is correct? We don't know, right? I know it's just X. So I mean, that's a very huge water border, by the way.
Mhm.
Is that a
Okay.
new one? This is 35 minus X. Do you understand? Why 35 minus X? Because isn't it true that this total is 35? You
Yeah.
understand? Does this make sense? The moment you are able to assume this, or in fact, you are able to say this, let X be, this is also assume that X is the number of correct questions. It's the same idea.
Mhm.
Do you girls understand? Can or cannot? Can understand or don't understand?
Understand.
Okay, so 5 got any points or not? How many points do you get? Because you're trying to form an
0.
equation to show that this is more than or equals to 80. You understand? 5, 0 point. Too bad, nanny poo poo, you never answer. That's your problem. Can you all echo after me? If you all echo after me, I bite. No, okay. God, cannot. Okay, yeah, I think you all will say that. Okay? Then this x, you will get 3 points, right?
Yeah. So would it
3
be
points,
like
right?
3x?
What do you say?
Could it be like 3x plus
Absolutely. Plus 3 over here, right? Then this one is what?
minus
Right?
3x?
What, 35?
Wait, what?
You are my teacher. I'm so worried. Every time I get it wrong, I'm minus 3. That's crazy.
Oh,
No.
yeah.
Oh wait. Oh, okay.
It's minus 1 ma.
Mhm.
Anushka, you might want to reconsider. You cannot be a teacher next time. You're gonna be the teacher. You said the paper, the students all cooked there.
Okay. No, I forgot. Like it's night time. You can't expect me to be like
True.
super good.
True. Okay, can you understand or don't understand? All right, because remember, you are trying to get to 80 points. Agree or disagree?
Wait,
Right,
what
you're
do you
trying to
mean
get to
plus
80
negative
points.
1?
Huh? Sorry?
Plus negative 1.
Very good. Negative 35 plus x, my dear. Why plus negative? Why got plus and negative
You
come
see,
together?
like right there, the first black one, 3x.
Oh, no, yeah. This is
Wait, do I solve
yeah,
this?
I plus because minus 1 ma. Because minus 1 is I'm going to deduct. Am I making sense? Okay, did you
Yeah.
solve this? I don't know. Did the questions ask us to solve? Of course, right? The question want us to find what? Find the minimum. So you must find x basically. Understand or don't understand?
Yeah.
Okay, just do together with me first. Sammy, have I answered your question?
Yeah.
Okay, so from here, what happens is that this becomes what? This becomes 4x minus 35. Agree or disagree? You all understand or don't understand?
Yes.
All right, once you get to here, what you're going to do, of course, you're going to ask yourself, right, how do I move the 35 over? Very simple. All you need to do is just,
80
again,
plus
bring it
35.
over, right? My teacher told me, Joseph, remember, just treat it as an equal sign. So what would you do when it's an equal sign? You know what to do, right? You get where I'm coming from? All
Yeah.
right, 4x is more than or equals to 115. Is this something that y'all can understand?
Yes.
All right, so from here, x is
And then the
more than
5.
or equals to 115 divided by 4. Okay, we get to, you see, from here, I will say x is more than or equals to 28.75. What does that mean? What is the meaning of x? Let's go back to our starting point. You understand, guys?
That's be 28, right?
What's our starting point? X is basically the x be the correct number of, can you refer, in fact, can I ask you to cast your eyes on the yellow color part? Let x be the number of correct questions. So x, the number of correct question has to be more than 28.75 in order for this person by the name of, guys, this person no name, let's call this person
Max.
6. Okay, Max. Okay, for Max to be able to score 80 points.
Yeah.
So the question say the minimum. I want the lowest. What do you think is the lowest?
28. No, 29. Because there's no point
Very
7.
good, very good. Right, there's no such thing as you score 28 questions correct. Then, another question, you get some method mark. This is strictly whole number, integer. Understand? So you must. So as a student, then your aim will be like, okay, I need to make sure out of the many questions, out of the 35 questions, 29 must. I mean, you think about it, 29 out of 35 confirm A1 already, right? Confirm
Yeah.
80 already, right? You get what I'm trying to say or not, Sammy?
Yeah.
Okay, any confusion?
In what case would I have to take 28?
Sorry, don't mind if you repeat that again?
Like, in what, if the question was rephrased such that I have to round it off to 28, how would they have rephrased it?
Good question that you just asked me. For this question is a bit difficult because this is the number of question, a number of correct answers. You get what I'm trying to say? But if no, if my dear, if it's going to be like that, right? All your answer must be what? All of your answer has to be anywhere from 28 onwards.
What does it have?
All right, your answer has to be everything from 28 onwards. Am I making sense? Me too? Is she there? No.
He just
She just popped by. You all understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. All right, so there must be. Have I answered your question?
right.
Huh?
Right.
Right, in this question, huh? Okay, correct question. Okay, but just to answer your question, let's look for one more question that will answer that question. Let me see. You are referring to problem sum, right?
Hmm?
Maybe this one. You see maximum also same, no difference. Maximum.
maximum.
Okay, maximum could be right. For example, x is yeah, x is more than, let's say, no, cannot. Okay, it really depends on the question, Sammy. Can? Can? Understand or don't understand, guys? We do a few more, then
Okay.
wrap it up. 10 p.m. sharp. We are gonna bye.
Okay.
Yeah? Can understand or don't understand?
Yes.
Question 24. You want
No. I was
you want
hoping you were going to say.
Okay, Sammy, understand or don't understand? Let's do 24. You all know how to do, because problem sum actually could be harder, right, sometimes. Can we do question number? Can we? Can we? Okay, we serious, serious one. Winner decide. Ready? Come. You don't do now, you also do for homework one. Come.
Okay,
What?
never mind. Let's just do it now.
What the? I thought serious, serious one. No?
Hey, I want to do something this one. Which
Yeah. Yeah, I just said
Scissors.
to win.
Scissors. Wait, one person only. Send one. Send one.
me?
Send one loser. Hurry up. Send the loser. Okay, scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone.
Please
Then
choose
choose
a
choose
not very long
choose
question.
another question.
Wait, can you do advanced questions? Like,
Bro,
Yes.
bro,
Yes.
I was there and you serious paper stone and then
I thought it was like more fun, Sorry, sorry.
maybe question 22. Question 22 can?
That's quite easy, what?
Yeah. Do like a bit.
Hey, you're trying to buy time, right? Can you ask me go back, go
No,
ahead?
no, 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 no. Like,
Okay.
please, like, choose a medium question, like
Hey,
not
no,
something
I don't think 22 is very easy, right? Can we
Oh,
do?
okay, then let's do it. Oh, yeah, because there's like
I don't
three
think, yeah,
thingies.
because you got so many unknowns. I don't think it's very
Yeah.
easy, right?
Wait, let's try that.
Sammy, can we do it?
Yeah.
24 is easier. Later, I just want you all to form the equation. That's it. Don't need to go and solve. As long as the equation is formed, it's good. Can? All right,
Yes.
that's kind of how you would do it. Okay. All right. Anyways, we have x plus 1 less than 3x minus a less than or equals to x plus b. You see, the first thing you want to do is to focus on this part only. Understand or don't understand?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll focus on this part. X plus 1 less than 3x minus a. And then you're going to focus on the second one. 3x minus a less than or equals to x plus b. You understand or don't understand? Ui,
Yeah.
you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, Can So what are you gonna do? You're gonna find x. Remember, your job is to always find x. Don't care about the a and all that. So isolate x. Am I making sense? How do you
Yeah.
isolate x? X minus 3x less than minus a minus 1. Am I too fast or too slow?
Okay.
Okay, maybe better, right? If you were to actually do this, which is move x to the right hand side. So 1 plus a less than 3x minus x. Better number.
Okay.
Sammy, okay?
Yeah.
Once you're done, your job is to get to x, right? X less than 1 plus a divided by 2. Got it or no?
Yes.
Let's go for the next one. Once you're done, if you're done, give me a thumbs up. Ready?
Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
3x minus x less than or equals to minus b plus a. Is this something that you all can understand?
Yes.
Sammy, okay?
Is b less than 1?
Bro, wait, I'm not done. Wait, what do you mean?
Solve it, then I substitute.
Okay? You got this ready, right? So fast, bro.
I mean, if
Give me
we
a
need
while first.
Wait, I was just thinking, yeah,
No,
so submit.
so what's the question asking us to do? To find all prime number. So over here, you see, a very simple one. All you need to do is essentially they already give you the timeline one. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's going to be x in the middle, right? Then the big mouth facing
Oh, so you kind
x1
of just
plus a divided by 2. Where? Small
mm,
mouth facing x minus b plus a divided by 2. Am
yeah.
I making sense? All right.
Yes.
Preferably if this is written as preferably if this is written as let me see, did I make a mistake over here? Let me see, minus b plus a, then this one is 2x. Let me see, sorry. Why is it a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus... Oh, sorry. Why I put minus b over here? Should be plus b, right?
Wait. Oh.
Sorry, my bad.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so my bad, sorry. A plus b divided, I see, like, wait. Okay, can? Understand or don't understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so the question says what? Oh, okay. This is the timeline. You understand or don't understand? This is the timeline. You have to understand what the question wants you to do. They want you to find the prime values of x. You have this. So 1 plus a over 2 is what? Oops. Wait, here is this, This means what? 2.5 lah.
Wait, they had the same denominator, so can we like
Don't need, my dear.
resolve like that
They
or
already
you
give us the value.
oh
They
okay.
have already
Oh,
given us the
okay.
value.
So you just have it in.
Yeah, just sub it in. Understand or not, Sammy?
Oh,
Yeah, I think Sammy didn't think that way. Like, you were not thinking of that, right? You were not thinking of that, right? You were thinking, how am I going to solve
yeah.
for A and B, right? No, but actually not. It's just the time, because timeline is given. You understand? So what does this mean? Set all the prime values. So easy, right? Right? All the prime values means what?
We
3,
list between,
huh?
like we list in between
Yeah,
it.
so 2.5 all the way to 5.5. So it's basically 3, 4, and 5, right? These are all called prime numbers. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
You
It's
see?
only
Thank
three
you.
and
I just tricked you all again.
only three and
How
five.
is 4 a prime number? I
Only
literally
three and
did the same
five.
trick. Thank you. All right, so 3 and 5. That's your answer for A. Make sense or don't make sense?
Yes.
Can?
Yeah.
Confirm?
Yes.
Wait, maybe it's not correct. You know why? It's better if you, okay, I don't think this is correct. I apologize. One thing that I've done wrongly is I should have equated this better this way. Can see? They want us to find what?
Isn't that the next question?
Sorry. That's the next question. Sorry. Okay, for the first one, I think it's easy. So you all got the answer, right? Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, first one I'm correct. Sorry. It's A, I'm correct. Okay. B. Sorry, I'm not even on B. Okay, B now, I'm going to just do, because B wants us, A, they want us to find X. B, they want us to find A and B. Correct? So 1 plus A equals to 5. You understand or don't understand?
Yeah.
I say again, question A, they want us to find X. Question B, they want us to find the value of A and B, okay? So 1 plus A equals to 5. Why 5? Because 2.5 times 2. Then A is equals to 5 minus 1. A is equals to 4. Are
Oh,
you understanding or not understanding?
yes.
Okay, then from here itself, what you're going to do next is A plus B divided by 2 is equals to 5
Point
point.
five.
Understand? All right,
Yeah.
so A plus B is equals to 11. True? A is already 4, right? So sub in 4. 4 plus B equals to 11. Therefore, B is equals to 11 minus 4. Therefore, B is equals to 7.
Okay.
Done. Can? Last question, just form the equation. Don't need to solve. Can? Done, A and B done? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, can I erase? All good, all good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What is the question about? Quick one, quick bit. It says that a tour, right? If they can collect a minimum sum, what is the minimum sum? The lowest. Agree or disagree? Right? So this basically means more than or equals to 2,850. Right? If I have enough people, then I can set up a tour. Can you imagine the whole tour bus only got 2 people? For what? Then you get me? It's even more expensive than what I received. You get what I'm trying to say? Due to limited resources, the maximum number of students allowed for this is exactly 20. It's 20, sorry. So that means you go 19. No. Allowed for this must be 20. Sorry, the maximum must be 20. Nothing more than that. The principal decided that a student should pay between. So what is the price? What is the range? The range is 150.
To 210.
Understand? Okay. Given that X represent what? The number
The
of
number of
participating students,
students.
and
Then
Y represent the amount of money paid by each student. What did the question want us to do?
find the minimum number of students needed for this trip to materialize and the total amount of money collected.
Okay, so if I want minimum number of students, sorry, are you all lost? I want the least number of students, means I need the maximum price. True? So that I can hit the amount. If I very, very little student, it's only 3 of us going, then each of us going to pay a lot more.
Yeah.
But if it's me, you, Sam, Phone, Anushka, Mitu, Avia, Shaylu, Amit, Lena, Chloe, oh, they are all happy. Why? Because divide by so many people, so cheap. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, so minimum number of students means my maximum amount to be paid. To pay. Am I making sense?
Yes.
Okay. So the amount is 150, 210. In this situation, you want them to pay 210 or you want them to pay 150?
150.
I thought you want maximum amount for them to
Oh,
pay.
you want more money? Okay, then
Correct. So
210.
210. Understand not? This is 210 per student. How many students are you going to go? X. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Why X? Because they say X represent the number. Can you remember? Inequality always have this sentence one. Let X be the number of students, let Y be the money, money, money. Understand or don't understand?
Yes.
This has to be more than what was the amount that the tour say, hey, you need to make sure you are able to hit this amount, then we will organize a tour for you. How much is it? How much is it?
Why?
No, the amount has been given to you, right? You see,
Oh,
Anushka, you're not wrong to say why. You put Y, but that one is only for each student. You go and put Y, you are adding two variables into an equation. So many
okay.
unknowns, so many things I don't know, right? Over here, you can only put 2,850. You understand or don't understand?
Yes.
What am I trying to find? Remember, I'm trying to find a minimum number of students. Can? So my X over here is going to be, you understand?
Yeah.
All right, dollar and dollar cancel out, right? I always say this, every student under my charge, under my teaching will always know that it's dollar and dollar. That's why your answer is 13.5714 students. I ask you a question. How many students must the school gather?
13.
Wrong.
14.
Thank you. Understand? Does that make sense?
No, actually we need 13.5.
Okay. You are the 0.5, lor. Cut you into half, lor. Cannot be, right? Right? Can?
No.
Okay, so if it's 14, so minimum number of students in this situation has to be 14 students. So if it's 14 students, how much will you receive in total?
210 times 14.
Exactly. So then the tour agency very happy, right? Yay! It's more than 2,800 and you understand or don't understand?
Mhm.
Quickly B, just the last one. I know it's 10 already. Can you just, but it's not 10:01 yet, so technically I'm still safe. Now the question says what? They want the minimum price, so the cheapest. So all the students pay very little. That means to say I want a lot of students. You understand or not? Like just now the scenario that I've given, all of us go together. You understand or don't understand? So I want you
Yeah.
all to write down minimum what? Minimum
Minimum
price,
minimum price.
maximum number of people. The more the merrier.
Yeah. Max people.
Understand or don't understand? What is the minimum price? In
The
fact,
minimum
in
price is
fact, as long as it's more than 2,850, you're safe. You understand or don't understand?
100x and then
No need. Because how
oh
many students? Why dollar per student, right? Why dollar per student, right?
oh so is it just like 20
Yeah,
people?
just 20 Y lor. This as long as these 20 people that is paying this Y amount is more than 2,850, we can go.
Okay.
If these 20 people is paying this Y amount is less than 2,850, we call it off.
Okay.
Understand or don't understand? I
Understand.
get that y'all wanted to do 150, but if I ask you a question, 150, you see, if you were to do 150, which is $150, right? That's the cheapest, right? Times what? Times what? You don't
Times
know, right?
20.
Times 20, huh? So then there's
Wait,
no, then there's no variable that you are solving, what? You need
yeah,
at least
but
one
what
variable, ma? True?
y is the variable?
What in this situation, y is the variable, lah.
Oh,
Yeah.
22,850 divided by 20.
Yeah, very good. So you 142.5. That means if each person, this remember this is the minimum, this is the money that they have to pay. Each person, as long as they pay 142.5, we can go for the tour. You understand?
Wait, but this is it allowed?
So the
Because the
so
question
the
said 150.
correct, but the question over here says what? The minimum price, right?
Okay.
Should pay right? Should only pay between, yeah, sure. Why not? Why not? If it's cheaper, who's gonna complain?
Mhm.
Nobody is gonna complain, right? Yeah, lah, exactly. Right? So from here, 143, you cannot put 142.5. You round up to the nearest dollar. Okay, if you cannot quite understand or you're a little lost, you can go and watch the video. Why correct to the nearest dollar? Because the question says so.
Yes.
Can? All right, with that, I'm done. Thank you very much.
I have one more question.
Oh, thank you. Happy.